Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Land Rover Defender 110 5-litre P525 V8. Now, this vehicle is a petrol with an automatic transmission, is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Carpathian grey. To start off with, then you have your Matrix LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those low light conditions. Along with 22-inch 5-spoke satin dark grey alloy wheels, really complementing against the Carpathian grey exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your full-size spare alloy wheel, ideal for any occasion you may need it. And once we open up the boot, you are able to see that you've got a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Also located within the boot, you are able to find your deployable tow bar controls, which allows you to tow things such as a trailer or perhaps even a caravan for those weekend getaways. Moving through the rear seats, you are able to find ebony leather upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, ideal for small children's car seats. Moving through the front, you can find your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again, you find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. This vehicle has a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control. Taking a look at the dash, you can see this vehicle has done 9,698 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. This car also features a head-up display, which is a brilliant safety feature as it allows you to see the speed you're travelling at without taking your eyes off the road. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest. DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone so that you can always find something to listen to no matter what. And perhaps if you can't, you also have the option of Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to use either Apple or Google Maps or perhaps just listen to your own music whilst travelling. You of course also have your 4x4 information, along with your wade sensing, terrain response, drive info as well. All these individual features make the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you may plan or find yourself on, ensuring that you always stay comfortable no matter what. You are able to stow or deploy the tow bar from within the comfort of the cabin, and of course you also have a 360 view camera, which allows you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. And this also comes with a off-road feature as well. The front seats in this vehicle are both heated and ventilated, ideal for those hot summer days as well as those colder winter ones, and paired with this is a dual zone climate control where you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger. This has been a presentation on the Land Rover Defender 110 5-litre P525 V8 that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.